Hi everyone, welcome back to Ash's Kitchen. Today we are making a tofu dish that's so flavorful and satisfying. It might just make you forget about meat. The ultimate rice pairing tofu is crispy on the outside, tender on the inside, and packed with umami goodness. Get your rice ready because you're gonna need it. First, grab a block of firm tofu. I'm using 卤水豆腐, which holds its shape well and absorbs flavors beautifully. Cut it into thick strips like this. Next, prepare some red peppers, green peppers, chopped scallions, and some roughly minced garlic. Now let's get cooking. All the exact ingredients are listed down in the description box. If you need them, please find them there. Heat some oil in the wok over high heat. Carefully place the tofu in a single layer and let it sear. Gently swirl the wok in a circular motion to ensure even cooking. Once one side turns golden brown, flip them over and do the same for the other side. Look at that beautiful color. Now take them out and drain the excess oil. In the same wok and no need to add extra oil, toss in the chopped scallions and garlic. Stir fry until fragrant. Then add the green and red peppers. Give it a quick toss to bring out the aroma. Now let's season it up. Add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, half a tablespoon of oyster sauce, and stir until everything is well combined. Next, pour in 300 milliliters water. Once the water starts to boil, return the tofu to the wok. Season with 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of MSG. Let the tofu simmer so it can absorb all their rich flavors. The seared tofu forms a honeycomb-like texture on the surface, making it absorb the sauce more effectively. As the sauce starts to reduce, gradually add the cornstarch slurry into the wok in small amounts to thicken it. Gently push the tofu around with your spatula. Don't stir too hard or it might break. Finally, drizzle in a bit of sesame oil for extra fragrance. And we are ready to plate. See how tender it is. It's packed with umami, slightly crispy on the edges, and absolutely perfect with rice. Give it a try at your home and let me know how you like it. Thanks for watching. See you next time.